Eggs and potatoes are quite comforting for breakfast. I'm going to make this wonderful baked egg recipe using the Whirlpool Jetsi Nutritech microwave oven.
For this, let's begin by slicing a potato. The potato has to be slightly crisp, so we need to slice it very thin. I'm also going to crush some garlic. We'll be using the crisp mode of the Whirlpool Jetsi Nutritech. Let's arrange the potato slices on the crisp pan and sprinkle over with the crushed garlic. Mix dried herbs. For this bit, we need to use crisp mode. To activate this, press the crisp button, press the knob, turn the knob to food class 4. Press the button once more to start this function. The potatoes are nice and crisp. I'll transfer them to a small breakfast plate and break 2 eggs over them. Add a sprinkle of red chili flakes and we'll bake these. Press the oven button. Turn the adjustable knob to see the manual icon. Press the knob button. Turn the knob again to set the temperature to 180 degrees centigrade and press the knob. Turn the knob one final time to set the time to 5 minutes. Press the knob button again to start the function. The eggs are properly baked, so we'll season them lightly with some salt and pepper and serve it hot with toast.
Whirlpool, designed to delight.